Check. Fork, plate of food, or a cup of coffee? Check. Mind-opening learning experience? Check. Just think, one simple break to focus on development can broaden your team's perspective on important matters in your business when a John Maxwell team coach has the floor. And a program like this one can be done at any time, day or night. In 45 minutes, your guest speaker will add definition to topics such as leadership, communication, and growth. And they will share keystone principles with you that will equip your team with new skills or perspective so they can lead your business better than before. This interactive presentation is not a cookie-cutter experience. Your John Maxwell Certified Coach will focus on your business so that you'll be given useful takeaways that will have immediate value when you apply them. Is your team ready to learn? And is your organization ready to grow? Then you're 45 minutes from very big things.